The Italian Institute of the Geophysics and the Volcanology have released a thermal image of the Stromboli eruption. This is a volcano in an island in the Aeolian Sea of the Mediterranean Sea, which has multiple eruptions every year almost. We can see this now. This is a pyroclastic flow. You can see it's hot against the sea water. You can see that, how hot it is. These are the magma which has erupted as lava, and because it has a water content more than what it is usually with the magma which can flow in the eruption time as lava, it will explode. The water content makes it to expand suddenly, and that creates the explosion. Again, the footage from there, and this is all by the Institute of Volcanology and Geophysics of Italy. This is a subduction creating this. This is the African plate. Of course, we can see an Ionian slab, that's an oceanic crust, going underneath the Eurasian plate, which part of it is there as the Italian peninsula. And when it goes down, it melts and comes back like a pimple to the surface as these volcanoes. This volcano has produced some of the most beautiful eruptions in the history, and we are grateful for the Italian people over the time that gave us all this knowledge since the ancient times. They have been living with this hazard, and they have described it for us all through the history. I have a video which shows how people in those regions live with the volcanoes and how casual they treat it. Even the tourists who go there, and I recommend you also go there, look at this as part of the daily life as if. Amazing eruption of the Stromboli volcano. This was just today. As you can see, the volcano was erupting suddenly and created this huge fountain of the lava. And what is more interesting is the context of this eruption. This eruption happened in this situation, in this setting. Listen and watch. You could even hear the sound of the sonic boom of the eruption. I will play it again for you so you can listen to this right now. Of course, you can watch the volcanoes everywhere. In Iceland, you have to walk 20 kilometers. In Indonesia, you may get killed by it. But here, you can have your pizza and watch the volcano. That only happens in Italy. And this is the situation there. You have an eruption during the day, dark ash cloud, and in the night, like as if fireworks. Beautiful fireworks. If you are lucky, you will be treated like that. This is part of the collision zone of the Africa and Eurasian plate. As you can see here, this is the African plate. And Italy is at the boundary of them. And where this happens, collision happens, one of the plates, this Mediterranean Tethys old plate, undergoes subduction, raises up as a volcano, as a mountain. And this is what you will see. Is a volcano Stromboli. Usually erupts are toward the northwest. And this is the Mediterranean Sea. As you can see, the old remnants of the Tethys Ocean. And the resulting is this volcano, which has access to the water, and it creates, steam explosions. Very eruptive in that sense.